I wanted to welcome everybody to this video. Wanted to mention to make sure you comment down below. Make sure you hit subscribe. There's also the bell feature. If you hit the bell, you can get the updates on when I post. Today I wanted to just do a short video on the old style mechanical drives. Let people see what an old style mechanical drive is. This is before serial drives. This will be an IED drive. I know there's still computers out there that have these drives. There may be people out there, home user, even some businesses that are still using this kind of drive. They can be in some older servers, some older style computer that you are using as a server base to store data, lots of different features. I know they were big for basically data storage because they were slower, but you're just storing data. If you're doing backups, storing the backup, your archive. I wanted to show because I'm sure nobody's seen this in a while. People new to computers are used to the new stuff. This is going to be my collection of the older stuff so that people are aware of older stuff. You have an older computer, go into a thrift store, you see this sitting on the shelf and you go, oh, what's this? Maybe you can use this. Maybe you can't. You never know where you're going to see this. You may get a job somewhere, go in, hey, can you fix this? You go in and go, oh, what is this? Is it scuzzy? Is it, nobody knows. Wanted to do just a simple video so people are aware. There's jumpers on it. Key point of the jumpers is those jumpers are set. There's a graph actually on here. Most of the time that's for your slave and master drive. Master drive is your primary, slave is your secondary. That's important because your master drive holds your OS, holds your operating system. There's two drives on a cable. That's a big difference between serial, the STA cables. STA cables, there's one drive, one cable. This can have two cables, or one cable, with two drives. It's important because if you take out a drive and you take out the master drive and you don't change the pin configurations, you're going to have problems. But most people that have been around for a while, they know this. There's videos out there. I just wanted to touch on this. This is one of the old technologies. Wanted to make sure that it's basically archived so future generations will know what technology steps we have done. Speeds are a lot slower. Speeds have been changing every generation. They're changing, getting faster, faster, and faster. Today, you wouldn't want to use this. This is really old technology. This is getting phased out everywhere. Everything's going to basically a solid state drive. Mechanical drives can still be used in servers and other things where you need the large data space, but they will not be this connection. There's a couple other different connections that servers do use. I'll get into some of those videos later on server equipment because I do want to cover IT professional and home. I don't want to cover a whole lot of gaming. Gaming's different. You overclock, you do a lot of things that you would not do in a professional environment because when you overclock, you have chances of system failures. You're running your equipment at a higher performance, that more wear and tear. Business, you want to make sure that you're running it in a nice, consistent, solid manner, that your server is not going down and you're not out of business because you don't have your server. This was just a short video on the IED, just so people are aware. If you open your computer up because you're looking to do a SATA drive and you see a drive like this, I would say beware. There's a couple factors here. I'll be doing another video on SATA. When SATA did come out, some boards did support both, but it would be SATA 1, not SATA 3. Different data rates. So I don't want you to think, change this out to that, I'll be getting that speed. You won't. Just a warning. Thank you.